And more tech firms are falling in line and cutting ties with Chinese clients that have been blacklisted by Washington. Another one to add to the list, Tokyo Electron. That's the world's third largest supplier of semiconductor equipment. Tokyo Electron has imported products from U.S. chip makers Applied Materials and Lam Research since the 1960s. Now, the firm controls nearly 90% of the market for microchip coaters and developers. Today, the Nikkei reported that American storage device maker Western Digital has also suspended its strategic partnership with Huawei. The memory storage giant has halted all shipments to the Chinese company after the U.S. blacklist. Western Digital's CEO confirmed this with Nikkei on Tuesday. Now, its strategic cooperation agreement with Huawei, that was just cemented in April. It has also supplied Huawei with products like flash memory for its smartphones.